Hey guys, how you doing? My name is Bill. Thank you for joining my channel. Today we're going to be talking about Writecream. What is Writecream? It is an AI writing assistant. It's going to help you write emails, copywriting, social media, and SEO. Let's take a look at it all real quick. At the email, you're going to get email personalization, LinkedIn personalization, image generation, an audio icebreaker, a backlink personalization, pitch and angel, and the email copy, which is new, which is where it writes the email for you. Copywriting is website headline copy, brand product description, e-commerce product description, value proposition, pain, agitate, solution, copywriting, before after bridge copywriting, feature to benefit, website sub-headline, compelling bullet points, headline generation, create a voiceover, product review generator, summarizer, paraphraser, and create your own tool. Up next is social media. They have social media post captions, Facebook ad copy, engaging social posts, social media tips, YouTube video topic ideas, and command mode. Last of all is SEO, which is blog ideas, Google ad copy, SEO meta descriptions, blog conclusion, blog outline, blog intro, instant article writer, chat genie, blog heading expander, long form editor, Quora answer assist, plagiarism checker, paragraph generator, and article writer. Alright guys, we're going to do let's see, I believe it was copywriting is e-commerce product description. We create that. We're going to go with the Torrid set of 3 silver bracelets. The product features are a set of 3 Torrid silver bracelets like new. You click generate. That's what I already typed in, and there you go. That quick, guys. This is AI created. Let's read a couple of them. Elevate your style statement with this set of the exquisite Torrid 3 silver bracelets. Each bracelet is crafted with utmost precision and it is good as new. The premium quality silver used in these bracelets assure durability and long-lasting shine. Wear them all together or mix and match to create your own unique style. The sleek and timeless design of these bracelets ensures that they pair well with any of your outfits, be it casual or formal. The set of 3 bracelets gives you the freedom to mix and match or even share them with your loved ones. Don't compromise on style and get your hands on these beautiful silver bracelets. All you gotta do is copy it by clicking right here. You copied it, and they give you 4 different descriptions here. Okay? Go back to the dashboard. Okay, guys, up next, let's look at what can it do for us. Instant article writer, if you want to do a blog post. Create here. Let's see here. What can we put in here? It's something that I got off of Facebook. ClickBank. ConversoBot, the ultimate AI chatbot for your business, a comprehensive guide. I just typed in there to talk about it, and that's what it did. Introduction to ConversoBot. What is a chatbot? The benefits of using a chatbot for business. How ConversoBot works. Features of ConversoBot. Setting up ConversoBot for your website. Creating custom chatbot conversations. Integrating ConversoBot with other tools and platforms. ConversoBot pricing plans and options. Real-world examples of businesses using ConversoBot. Frequently asked questions about ConversoBot. And conclusion and next steps for implementing ConversoBot on your website. And that's it, guys. It did all that in a couple seconds, a couple minutes. Okay, we go back to the dashboard. Let's look at the chat genie. And here you just tell it what you want. Let's say I don't know. Let's see. Write me an intro Write me an intro for my Poshmark store. Write me an intro for my Poshmark store. My name is William. Enter. Give it a minute, and there we go. Welcome to William's Boutique on Poshmark. Here you'll discover a carefully crafted collection of fashion items that are sure to elevate your wardrobe. As a lover of timeless styles and quality pieces, I have handpicked each and every item in my shop with an eye for both fashion and functionality. From sleek and sophisticated dresses to cozy and chic sweaters, you'll find everything you need to create the perfect outfit here. Thank you for choosing Williams Boutique for all your fashion needs on Poshmark. And that's it, guys. That's how the system works. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you got some value out of it. I appreciate if you would find the affiliate link in the description below. If you do click it and you do buy the product, I will get a commission. Just so you know, that's a little disclaimer there. Okay, guys. Thank you much. Thank you for tuning in. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye now.